Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the part 4 of the same topic. So let us see the exercise 1F. So here it's given here, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So whenever we have such type of questions, what we have to do first, we have to remember this formula. So required number is half. We can consider this x plus, this is x and this is y. So we have to remember this formula. So half into x plus y. So half, what is x? X is 1 by 4 and y is 1 by 3. So now let us solve this one. So you can see the denominators are different. So we have to take the LCM of that. So this is going to be 4 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by, because the LCM is 12. So same thing will be multiplied over here, 3 and 4. So this is going to be 1 by 2, 3 by 12 plus 4 by 12. So 1 by 2 into this is going to be 7 by 12. So this will be 1 into 7 by 24. So we can say rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 is 7 by 24. Now let us see for this one, when it is same thing, the numbers are different, 2 and 3. So you have to just, this formula is important. That is half x plus y. This is x and this is y. So this is very easy. That is going to be, this will be 5. So that will be 5 by 2. So same thing you will write here. Now here, this is minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So this is x and this is y. Again, the same thing over here. But here what you can see, the denominators are different. So the LCM is 6. So you have to make it to 6. So same here, multiply by 3, multiply by 2. So this will be minus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. And this will be 1 by 2. So minus 2 plus 3 by 6. So that is going to be 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. And this will be 1 by 12. So this is 1 by 12. Find two rational numbers between this minus 3 and minus 2. So this is going to be minus 3 and this is minus 2. So this is minus 5. And this is going to be minus 5 by 2. Now here it was two rational numbers. Now here we have three rational numbers. So what we will do here, first thing, we'll find out for this x and y considering this one. So this will be 9 by 2. So again what we have to do, because we have to find three rational numbers. So what will you do here? This 4 will take and this 9 by 2. So we are going to consider, because here 4 and 9 by 2. Why? Because this 4 and 9 by 2 means, here 9 by 2 means it is going to be 4.5 and that is 4. So it is in between 4 and 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 lies between 4 and 5. So now what will you do? This 4 you are going to consider as x and this as y, the same formula. So now again here will be 1, this LCM is going to be 2. So that will be 8 plus 9 by 2, that will be 17 by 2 and this is going to be 4. So that now what we'll do, you got how many? This one. And now we will find a third rational number. So we'll take this, whatever we got, 9 by 2 and 5. So 5 and 9 by 2. So you will take here 5 and 9 by 2. So this is x. Or you can write 5 and 9 by 2. Both is the same, because that it will be easy to remember. So here 5 plus 9 by 2. So this is going to be 10 plus 9 by 2. So that will be 19 by 2. That will be 19 by 4. So what are the numbers here now? What we got here is 9 by 2. This is 17 by 4. And this is 19 by 4. So now what will we do here? Which numbers are we going to write here? Now see here. 9 by 2 means it is 4.5. 17 by 4 means it will be 4 4s are 16. And this will be 1. And you will write here 0. So 0.2, because here we are putting here 0 means it is going to be 0.4, 2s are 8, and this is going to be 2 and 0. This will be 5. So it is 4.25, this will be 4.5, and 19 by 4 is going to be 19 by 4. So that is going to be 4 4s are 16, and there will be 3. You'll put here 0, so it is going to be, this will be 28. This again 2 zeros, so 4.75. So did you understand why we are putting here 17 by 4 first, 9 by 2 later, and 19 by 4. So here will be, so these numbers are between 4.25, 4.5 and 4.75. So this should be see the proper sequence for this one. So now the next one, find three rational numbers between 2 by 3. Again here is 3. Now let us take this first x and y. So after taking the LCM is 12. So now you can see here what I have done. So that will be 17 by 2. So this is 17 by 24. So now we have to find this one, that is 2 in between this 2 by 3 and 17 by 24. So rational numbers, because why? 17 by 24 lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So now again we are going to use the formula. This is x and this is y. So this is x and this is y. So this will be again, the LCM is 3 8s are. So that will be 16 by 24 plus 17 by 24. So 16 plus 17, that will be 33 by 24. And this will be 33 by 48. So third rational number will be where? That will be 17 by 24. We got here 17 by 24. And here will be 3 by 4. So hope you got it. Or you can also write here 3 by 4 and 17 by this one. So now what will you get here? This will be x and this will be y. Again here the LCM is going to be 24. So now look at the calculations over here. So now this is going to be 35 by 24. So that will be 35 by 48. So therefore the three rational numbers are going to be in between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 2 by 3 means it is going to be 2 by 3. So if you put here 1 0, that is going to be 0.618. So again here 3 6 are 18, and it will go on. So 0.66, and 3 by 4 is 0.75. So what are you going to write first? You will write here, now see here, you will just look at this one, and accordingly you are going to go in the ascending order from small to big. So these are the numbers. You can later on you can check. So here we got this one as 33 by 48. And this one, these three numbers, and you have to check how to put it in a proper order. Now here there is find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6, here we have 10. So this is a different way. So first we have to take the LCM between 4 and 6. So 4 and 6, the LCM is going to be 12 and not 24. Because many of them just multiply it. The LCM is going to be 12. 2 2s are 4. And 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are, and this will be 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So many of them just multiply this and make it to 24. No, LCM is 12. So now for this one, what are you going to do here? 4 3s are 12. So this is multiplied by 3. So this also should be multiplied by 3. So that will be minus 9 by 12. And this will be 5 by 6, 12 means 6 2s are. So that is going to be 10 by 12. So 10 rational numbers means it is going to be between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So what are you going to write after this one? We got here as minus 9 by 12. So you are going to go, because minus 9 means it is a smaller number. So you are going to go in with starting from the big number. That will be minus 8 by 12, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 by 12, then 0. And then here negative ones all are over here 0, and then we'll again start with 1 by 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the 10 rational numbers. Now here they are asked for the find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. So minus 1 we can also write, and 2, because here we don't have the denominators here. So what we have to do, because otherwise it's not easy to find out the rational numbers. So what here, minus 1 we can write here minus 5 by 5. Now since the denominator is 5, so 2 also we have to see that the denominator comes to 5. So that will be 10 divided by 5 is going to be 2. So we have minus 5 by 5 and 10 by 5. So this 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2 there can be written as, this minus 5 by 5 means we will go in the this one descending order. So minus 4 by 3 minus, this will be in the ascending order, that is minus 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 minus 1 0, 1 by 5. Again, after 0 means here they will be all positive: 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, and 7 by 5. So total are going to be here. These are 12 rational numbers. So now we will go for the next one, that is exercise 1G. From a rope 11-meter long, two pieces of length, two integers 2 by 3, that is 3 by 5, and three integers 3 by 10 are meter are cut off. And what is the length of the remaining rope? So from a rope 11 meters long means the total length is given as 11 meters. So we can write here, because this is a word problem. So we have to write this statement: total length of rope is 11 meter long. So now what we have, two pieces of length means and three integers 3 by 10 means the lengths are, they are cutting this long into this two pieces. So we can write a sum of lengths because they have given two pieces length. So sum of lengths of two pieces is this we are going to write it here, that is meter. So now because this is in a mixed fraction, so now let us make it to the improper one. So you know how to make it to improper. So two integers 3 by 5. So always you are going to multiply this into this. So you get 10. So you get 10 over here. So this 10 you are going to add it. So this is going to be 13. Plus 3 means 13. And the denominator you are going to keep same. So that will be 13 by 5. So this is going to be 13 by 5. Same over here. This is going to be 33 over 10 meter. So now you can see the denominator is different. So you are going to multiply by 2. So that you get the LCM as 10. So after doing that, that will be 26 by 10, and this will be 33 by 10, and this will be 59 by 10 meter. So now what you can see, the length is we got here as 59 by 10 meter, and we have the total length we have, that is 11 meter. And so what did they ask? What is the length of the remaining rope? So length of remaining rope will be from this total we are going to subtract. From this total, we are going to subtract this whatever the length we got. So now what we can see, this is 1. So the LCM should be 10. So this will be 110 minus 59 divided by 10. So this is going to be 51 divided by 10. And this 51 by 10, we can also write it as an improper fraction, because this is an improper fraction. We can write in a mixed fraction. So that should be 5 integers 1 by 10 meter. So this is the answer. Now let us see the next one. A drum full of rice weighs 40 integers 1 by 6 kilogram, and if the empty drum weighs 13 integers 3 by 4 kilogram, find the weight of rice in the drum. So now they have said a drum full of rice weighs, this means the total weight is 40 along with the drum, that is 40 integers 1 by 6 kilograms. So we can write a total weight of drum and rice, not only the rice, but it is along with the drum, this is 40 integers 1 by 6. So we can make it to improper. 46 that will be 240 plus 1, that will be 241 by 6 kilogram. And then this side, if the empty drum weighs 13 integer 3 by 4. So weight of empty drum is 13 integer 3 by 4. So that is going to be 13 was a 52, and this plus 3, that will be 55 by 4. So we want actually the rice, the weight of rice. So what are we going to do? It's simple. From total we are going to subtract this empty one. So weight of rice drum, that will be from total this what we have 241 by 6 minus this 55 by 4. So now we can see the denominators are different. So when you take the LCM of this is going to be 12. So here it will be 3. So this is going to be 482, and this is going to be 165 by 12. So when you subtract this one, so that will be 317 by 12 kilogram. And this, when you divide it, because this is the improper fraction, this is a improper fraction, you have to make it to mixed fraction. So that is when you divide that, you get 26 integer 5 by 12 kilogram. So that is what we can write. The weight of rice drum is 26 integers 5 by 12 kilogram. Now here a basket contains 3 types of fruits weighing 19 integer 1 by 3 kilogram in all. If 8 integer 1 by 9 kilogram of these apples, 3 integers 1 by 3 kilogram be oranges and the rest pears. What is the weight of the pears in the basket? So now it's given 3 types of fruits are they are weighing 19 integer 1 by 3 kilometer in all means total weight is given, that is of 3 types of fruits, that is given as 19 integers 1 by 3 kilogram, and this we can write as 19 is a 57 plus 1 58 by 3 kilogram. So now what is given separately, the weight of apples is given as 8 integer 1 by 9. So this is going to be 72 plus 1, that will be 73 by 9 kilogram. Why are we doing this one? Then it becomes easier for the calculation. If from mixed we are writing from improper one, so it becomes easy for the calculation. So better write this step. Now we have weight of oranges, that is 3 integers 1 by 6 kilogram. So that is going to be 18 plus 1, that will be 19 by 6 kilogram. And now we want the weight of pears. This we have, apples we have, oranges we have, and we have the total. From that, how to find out the weight of pears from the total? Here we have 2, so this we are going to add it. So when we add it, or we can just put minus 73 by 9 if you don't want to put a bracket, minus 19 by 6. Or it's better because we are going to add this together. So you are going to put it in the bracket. This minus shows that this, again it is going to be minus. Anyways, you can do it. So here this is the total. So now let us keep this at the side. So now what we can do here, we can take the LCM, that is 18. So this is what is taken over here. So this thing you are going to write it here. 73 into 2, that is 146 by, sorry, this will be 18. And here will be 57 by 18. So now what do you get here? 58 by 3 minus this will be, when you add this, that is going to be 203 by 18. So now again what you can see, the denominators are different, means you are going to take again the LCM here. So 18 is the LCM. So when you multiply by this one, this will be the same. So you get 348 minus 203 by 18. So this is going to be 145 by 18. And when you divide this 145 by 18, that is going to be 8 integers 1 by 18 kilogram. So this is the answer. So this is what is that? That is the, if we actually we have to write therefore weight of pears. So you can add one sentence. Is 8 integers 1 by 18 kilograms. So you can add this sentence. So now here on one day, rickshaw puller on rupees 160. Out of his earnings, he spent 26 integers 3 by 5 on tea and snacks, and rupees 50 integers 1 by 2 on food, and rupees 16 integer 2 by 5 on the repairs of the rickshaw. How much did he save on that day? So first thing, like total earnings is given in the first sentence. In this one they have given total he earned is rupees 160. So we can write a total earnings of rickshaw puller, that is 160. Now we'll write here amount spent on tea and snacks. What is that? How much is given? That is 26 integer 3 by 5 means, as I told you, we can make it to improper. So that is improper. This will be, when you are from mixed to improper, that will be 133 by 5. And then amount spent on food is given as 50 integers 1 by 2. So that is going to be what? 100 plus 1, that will be 101 by 2. And amount spent on repair of rickshaw, that is given as 60 integers 2 by 5. So here 16 integers 2 by 5, that will be 16 5 is 80 plus 2, that is going to be 82 divided by 5. This all you have to write in rupees. So what did they ask here? How much did he save on that day? So you know this is total amount spent. How much is that? This is all he is spending. That is one on tea and snacks, on food, and on repair. This is all comes under the spending part. So now you can see the denominators are the different. First thing you have to make the denominators same to calculate further. So now the LCM is 10. So here you need 2, here you need 5, here you need 2. So after multiplying all that, you can see the calculation over here. That will be 266, 505, 164 divided by 10. So when you add this all, that will be 935 by 10. So this is the total amount spent. And now they have asked that How much did he save? Savings means what will be that? That will be earnings minus expenditure. So earnings means how much did he earn? That was 160. And the expenditure means he spent whatever he spent, that was 935 by 10. So now again what you can see here, we have to multiply by 10. We have to take the LCM. So now this will be 1600 divided by 10 and this will be 935 divided by 10. So here it is going to be 665 divided by 10. So now this can be, we can cancel out here 5 2s are and 5 133s are. So 133 by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 and this will be 1. 66 integers 1 by 12. So that is the saving. So find the cost of 3 integers 2 by 5 meter of cloth at rupees 63 integers 3 by 4 per meter. Per meter means this is 1 meter cloth, this is given. So we can write here cost of 1 meter cloth is 63 3 by 4 rupees. So this again we can make it to improper, that will be 255, this will be 63 4. So this will be 24 25 252 and this will be 255 by 4. So now we have to find the cost of this one, 3 integers 2 by 5 meter. So now what are you going to do? See, for 1 meter, see here is meter and here is rupees. So for 1 meter, that is 255 by 4. Always there is a confusion whether to multiply or divide. So you can write like this. This is the best way. And for 3 integers 2 by 5 meter, this will be how much? So what are you going to do? Whenever there are two numbers, means that numbers will be in the numerator always. When you cross multiply, the two numbers are here. So 3 integers 2 by 5 into 255 by 4 or 255 by 4 into both is the same. And divide by this is 1. So that doesn't make any sense. Like you have to divide by 1, the answer is going to be the same. So this step is very important, whether to multiply or divide. So now again here what will you do? For 3 integers 2 by 5 means you can write it 17 by 5 and then it becomes easy for the calculation. So 5 ones are 551. When you multiply this and this, that will be 867 by 4. So this also we can write in the mixed fraction as 216 3 by 4, that will be rupees. So that they have asked for cost of, you can write, add one sentence, therefore cost of 3 integers 2 by 5 meter cloth is 216 rupees. 216, this rupees unit is very important. 3 by 4. A car is moving at an average speed of 6 integers 2 by 5 km per hour. How much distance it will cover in 6 integers 1 by 4? So first thing, per hour means in 1 hour it's given, the distance is given as this one. That is 60 integer 2 by 5. We can also write here kilometer, because that is the distance given. So now, so distance covered in, now they have asked for 6 integers 1 by 4 hours. So now here distance covered. So now look at here. First thing, what did I say? For 1 hour, this is an hour and this is the kilometer here. So 1 hour it is 302 by 5. So then 6 integers 1 by 4 hours, that will be how much? So again here you are going to cross multiply, means you are going to multiply that one. So 6 integers 1 by 4. Now this will be 302 by 5 and 6 integers 1 by 4 we can also write as 24 plus 125 by 4. So now this will write here 2 2s are and 2 151s are. So when you multiply this into this, that is going to be 755 by 2. And when you divide this, you get 377 1 by 2. That is because it is a distance. You have to write here kilometer. This unit is very important. So you will write your distance covered. That sentence will add it. In 6 integers 1 by 4 hours is 377 1 by 2 kilometer. You can add that sentence over here. Find the area of a rectangular park which is 36 integers 3 by 5 meter long and 16 integers 2 by 3 meter broad. So, you know, this is a rectangular plot. So, what is the area? First thing, the formula for a rectangle, that is length into breadth. So, now what are we going to do? The length is given as Long means the length is given as 36 3 by 5 meter. So this, when you can write here 183 by 5 meter, and the breadth is, broad means the breadth is given of the park is given as 16 2 by 3. So when you multiply this one, so that will be 48 plus 2, that will be 50 by 3 meter. So now we want the area, that is how is the park, that is rectangle. So you know the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So here the length is here and the breadth is here. So this is going to be 3 ones are 360 ones are 5 ones are 5 tens are. So this is going to be 610 meters square. So area of rectangular park is 610 meters square. Now it's given here, find the area of a square plot of land whose each side measures 8 integers 1 by 2 meter. So it is a area of square. You know the area of square, all sides are same. So this is also side, this is also side. So it will be side square. Area is side square, and if it is perimeter, it should be 4s. So now the one of the side is given as 8 inches. So we can write a side of a square plot is 8 integer 1 by 2 meter. So this we are going to write as 16. 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 meter. So now you know area of square, that is area is equal to side square. Side square means s into s 2 times. So that will be 2 times you are going to write s into s, and we already have this as 17 by 2. So 17 by 2 into 17 by 2. And here whenever you have, see here one more thing, when you are writing in a fraction, this one, whenever there is plus or minus sign, so what you do, you just take the LCM and you write here 17 plus 17 divided by 2, or minus 17 minus 17 divided by 2. So, but whenever there is a multiplication, means even if the numbers are same, you have to multiply these two numbers. This is very important. So 17 into 17, that is going to be 289, and this is going to be 4 and not 2. So remember this step. So now when you divide this one, so that will be 72 integers 1 by 4 meter square. So area of square plot is 72 integers 1 by 4 meter square. Now here the 1 liter of petrol cost, that is 63 3 by 4 rupees. And what is the cost of 34 liters of petrol? Now see here, cost of 1 liter is 63 3 by 4. That will be 255 by 4. And cost of 35 liters, that is going to be 250. So now see here, 1 liter, this will be liter, and this will be the cost. 1 liter is 63 3 by 4, means that will be, or we can write here 255 by 4. And here we want for 34 liters. So again, this will be what? We are going to cross multiply. So 255 by 4 into 34. So what will you write here? 2 2s are and 2 17s are. So when you multiply this, you get 4335 divided by 2. And when we divide this, you get 2167 1 by 2. That will be in rupees. So we'll write a cost of 34 liters of petrol is 2167 1 by 2. So now here the aeroplane covers 1020 km in an hour. How much distance will it cover in 4.5 hours? Now distance covered in 1 hour, that is 1020 km. Therefore distance covered in 1020. This is actually I should write this down, so there should not be any confusion. We can write it on the next step. Okay. So in 4 integers, because I was shorter space, so I have written here in 4 integers 1 by 6 hours, that is what they have asked. So now again here we will do for 1 hour is 1020 kilometers. So 4, and this one hours is going to be how much? So again here you are going to multiply it. So this is going to be 25 by 6. So now this goes with 6, that will be 170. 170 into 25, that is going to be 4250 kilometer. So you can write one sentence that therefore distance covered in 4 integers 1 by 6 hours is 4250 kilometer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other part. Thank you.